At one time, you see, we are even scared to hold the Quran, by the way, and sometimes these rituals are so scary that you begin to wonder. We are even scared to hold the Quran just because we have to perform wudu first before we hold it. So because of that, we are keeping away ourselves from oh my God, I have to go and do wudu, it's cold. And it's inspired from this verse of Quran. إِنَّهُ لَقُرْآنٌ كَرِيمٌ في كتاب مكنون لا يمسه إلا المطهرون. Only the pure ones can touch it. Indeed, there is no doubt about it. But the greater meaning or the inner meaning of this particular verse is that the inner understanding of Quran can only be comprehended by those who are pure internally. Shankar Dayal Sharma, he was the 9th president of India, a Hindu himself. Someone who has read the Quran, clearly someone who has tried to think about Quran Majid. And then he writes these few lines which we should ponder over. He says, Amal ki kitab thi, duaon ki kitab bana diya. It was a book of actions, we made it a book of supplications. He says, Amal ki kitab thi, दुआओं की किताब बना दी. समझने की किताब थी, पढ़ने की किताब बना दिया. It was a book of understanding, a book to comprehend, a book to ponder, a book to think about, a book to understand the inner meanings of Quran Majid. समझने की किताब थी, पढ़ने की किताब बना दिया. जिंदाओं का दस्तूर था, मुर्दाओं का मंशूर बना दिया. Should I translate this? Maybe, perhaps with the verse of Quran. Let me first use the verse of Quran, because we might say that this is from Dr. Pandit Dayal Sharma, and therefore let me use the Quran Majid to say what he has said. Clearly this man has read the Quran. Why has it been sent to you? لِيُنذِرَ مَنْ كَانَ حَيًّا, to warn those who are alive. لِيُنذِرَ مَنْ كَانَ حَيًّا, to warn those who are alive. Is it not ironic that I am reciting it at the time when someone has died? And then he says, मुर्दा कौमों को जिंदा करने आई थी, मुर्दा कौमों को बख्शवाने में लगा दिया. It came to awaken the dead communities. It became a book that is giving bakshish and giving forgiveness to the dead people. When will I read Quran? When will I think about the Quran? When will I recite this Quran? At the end of his poetry he says, "Ay Musalman, ye kya kiya tumne? O Muslim, what have you done to this glorious book that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has sent you?"